Bookbuilder is a web-based tool that was created to work as a means of presenting multiple means of expression to the user. Multiple means of expression can be accomplished by incorporating elements of multimedia into the actual web page for the presentation of content. Text can be not only read, but also read to the user. And in support of this, links can be incorporated into it, or links to vocabulary or a created glossary that the creator of the project may incorporate into the particular lesson or information that's being presented. Our lesson is entitled "The Great Depression Changes America Forever. What Kept America Sane During the Great Depression?" Alright, so if you take this to begin with, you can move to the table of contents. From the table of contents, you can either jump straight to a particular page for the information that's presented, or return back to the table of contents, or you can simply move through page by page by clicking the next page in the upper left hand corner, or upper right hand or lower right hand, in order to move or progress through a particular project or book that's being presented. Alright, to understand our product that we've created here, I just wanted to add some insight into the way that we created it. The first thing to understand is when words are presented in italics, those represent words that are included in the glossary and are linked to it, so simply press the link and it will take you to that particular glossary entry. Here is case in point, the Great Depression, just a brief explanation to reinforce an understanding of what exactly that term refers to. You can go back by simply closing out that particular glossary entry. Alright, move through the particular project. Again, an italics word takes you to just an understanding of what the unemployment rate was. And you can return back. The next item to consider, or that I wanted to explain, was where links are presented with additional information so that the user may get information to reinforce the concept or what's being presented. In this case, the term is a link to "Brother, Can You Spare a Dime?" Note that the link is presented in bold as opposed to italics. Again, italics is a glossary item. Bold will take you to an external link with another form of media that's being presented. In this particular instance, it's a matter of "Brother, Can You Spare a Dime?" That particular item is an audio link. You have also video links, again presented the same way by being presented in bold. Will take you to a video link and or an audio link. Again, an external link outside of the particular project. This would be true with videos and so forth. The next thing I wanted to point out or to illustrate is the coaches. On each page there is an option to select a particular coach. Here is one of the options for this particular page that provides content that reinforces what's being presented.
Name a contemporary song that fits Woody Guthrie's description of a folk song. How does this song fit Guthrie's description?
Okay, and you can close that out. Beyond that, you have particular questions that are in the student response to which the student can be enter their ideas or thoughts referring to that can be used as a means of assessment. The next thing is the integration of the text-to-speech feature that is integrated into the particular project. In order to enable that, you go up here and text help, select the radio button, and it gives you a brief explanation. Select this, then click anywhere in the book to start reading text. So you select the radio button, place your cursor, and as it reads, it will highlight and go through and read the text to the person using the product.
Woody Guthrie was born in 1912 in Yakima, Oklahoma. In 1935 he experienced Black Sunday, the worst dust storm of the decade, resulting in a dust bowl that killed crops and devastated farms in Oklahoma and Arkansas.
To stop the feature, click on the Stop Speech Playback button, the red square. Next is the use or incorporation of a Spanish conversion for English speakers of Spanish language. It's also integrated into that can be used to support the particular lesson to Spanish speakers. And that's pretty much the way that you would navigate your way through this particular product. Again, on each picture will present a description. You'll have a caption and a description roughly the same that describes what the particular item is. You close that out, and then sources are included as well. So we hope you enjoy this particular item, and thank you for taking the time, and hope that this will help you better navigate your way through the product that we've created.